Hey everybody, it's Ryan again at Go Fab CNC, and today we're going to go over some common mistakes in Inkscape. First things first, you need to make sure you have that 0.91 version of Inkscape. This is very important. If you don't use the 0.9, you will have scaling issues when sending that cut file to the tablet for the table. Now I'm going to show you how you can check to see if you have the 0.91 version in Inkscape. In Inkscape, go to Help, and then go to the very bottom where it says About Inkscape. It'll bring a window and show you your current version that you have. As you can see, I'm using the 0.91, as you should be too. Alright, so in this next clip I'm going to show you a series of common mistakes that happens inside of Inkscape. When doing path to G-code, you will always want this green box in your project and the tool assigned as plasma. This box is the settings for the cut file. If you don't assign the plasma tool, you will get an error for the pierce points on the tablet and you won't be able to run the file. I'm going to show you the error that comes if you don't have the green box, and I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't have the plasma set. The error reads, "A cutting tool has not been defined. A default tool has been automatically added." You'll notice that the green box now says default tool. You do not want that. So I deleted that green box and I'm going to go back in and apply plasma. And as you can see, it says plasma cutter. That is what you always want it to say. Leaving it on the preference tab always throws a code. So we'll go to path to G-code and then click on the preference tab. And if you clicked apply right now, it's going to throw an error. You don't want to leave it on the preference tab. See right there? It's telling you get off of preferences. So you'll go to path to G-code first and then click apply. Always do it like that, or else you'll always see that error. I always delete the path and the navigational points after doing the path to G-code. That way it doesn't mess up any future designs that you make. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and show you another error, which is object to path. So when you're creating a square or any design period, you want to do object to path when you have it selected. I'm going to run the G-code without applying object to path, and you're going to see the error, and it's going to give you the solution saying you need to select this and do object to path. So I'm going to exit out of there. It is not necessary to delete these navigational points at this time, but it is a good habit to have. So you're going to select the object and then go to the path tab and then object to path. Then run the path to G-code and you will have no errors. Directory is another common mistake. Always double check that your files are being sent to the right folder. That'll keep you organized and prevent lost files. In the video here, I'm just double checking my address to make sure that my files get sent to the correct folder. There you have it, folks. Just a few common mistakes thought I'd share with y'all.